In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an existing template in DocuSign. To get started, open DocuSign and head to your main dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Templates section in the navigation menu and click on it. This is where DocuSign stores your reusable document setups, making it easy to manage and update them whenever needed. After that, find the template you want to update from the templates list. If you have a lot of templates saved, take a moment to scan the names carefully so you choose the correct one. When you found it, click the three-dot options menu beside that template. This menu gives you access to additional actions for that specific file. From the drop-down, select Edit. This will open the template settings so you can make changes without having to build the template again from scratch. At this stage, you can update the basic fields of the template. For example, you can change the template name, revise the description, replace or adjust attached files, update recipients, or modify the message that will be included when the template is used. This is helpful if your process has changed or if you simply want the template to be more accurate and up to date. If you want more customization, click on Next, Add Fields. DocuSign will then load the document so you can work directly inside the template editor. Once it finishes loading, you'll be able to customize the document itself by adding or adjusting fields wherever they're needed. For example, you can add a signature box to indicate where a signer needs to sign. You can also add a date signed field so the document automatically captures when the signature is completed. These fields are especially useful for making sure your document is clear, complete, and ready for signing without confusion. As you make changes, it's always a good idea to quickly review placement and make sure each field is assigned correctly. When you're done editing, click Save and Close. This will save your updates and exit the editor. After that, you'll be redirected back to the templates list, where you can continue managing your templates or open another one if needed. And that's how to edit an existing template in DocuSign. Once you know where to find the edit options and how to update both the template details and document fields, maintaining your templates becomes much faster and easier. Thanks for watching.